Oh my God, I can't believe it. I just found a simple way to unlock a coupon code for this app in just a few minutes. Hello, friends. As you can see, this method allows you to unlock a working coupon for this app using a simple step-by-step process. So let's start the tutorial now. First, you need to save the website address shown on the screen, www.easycoins.fun. It's a simple and easy website name to remember and type. After typing this website address into your browser, and by the way, it works on all devices because the site supports both iPhone and Android. Open the website that looks like this. Now I will go to the search bar and type the name of this app. Type the app name like this. You will see the app image appear below. Once you find the correct app, click on the button that says Get Coupons. After that, a new page for this app coupon will appear with this nice and simple design. On this page, you will see some information about the available coupon for this app. Now go to the button that says Show Full Code and click on it. After clicking on Show Full Code, the website will start preparing the coupon code for you. Then we move to the next page that looks like this. On this page, you will see another button that says Get Full Code. Click on the Get Full Code button to continue. Then it will move to the final and most important step, which is the human verification step. The website wants to make sure that you are a real human and not a bot. So it will give you some offers, and you need to complete at least one of them to unlock the full coupon code. This step is very important because if you do not complete it, the full code will stay locked, and the website will not show you the complete coupon. So you must complete at least one offer. The offers are usually simple and only take a few minutes. For example, you may need to download a free app, open it, try a mobile game, or answer a short survey. I personally recommend the app download offers because they are usually easy to complete and very fast. Finally, after completing the offer, go back to the coupon page and you will see that the full code is unlocked. Now you can copy the coupon code and use it for this app, either inside the app or on the official website. And that's it. This is a simple way to unlock a coupon code for this app using your phone in just a few minutes. Don't forget to support us with a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if it worked for you.